A flat and level sill is crucial when mulling units in the opening. The sill should be within 1/16 of an inch flat and level to achieve a successful mull and installation. Shim where necessary to bring the sill to level. Install the first window and plumb the jambs. Then shim and fasten with the installation screws provided in the bag marked with a black dot. You may want to wait until the entire assembly is complete and pinned at the jambs and head jamb to fasten through the sill. In some cases, you may want to apply sealant in the installation hole prior to fastening. Apply sealant along the edge of the frame, overlapping the foam sealant at both ends. Set the next unit in the opening close to the previous one. Slide the frames together. Make sure the frames are flush to one another at the top. Apply shims if necessary. Clamp the two units together, making sure they are flush to one another on all planes. Fasten at each pre-drilled location with the screws provided in the bag labeled with an orange dot. Apply the exterior mull cover immediately after fastening the mull. Do this before the sealant has a chance to fully cure. Shim and fasten at the head jamb. Repeat sealing the jambs. Flush the interior and fasten the assembly together. Repeat this procedure until the assembly is complete. Flush the jamb on the final unit. Shim and fasten at the head jamb. Shim and fasten at the head jamb. Shim and fasten the jamb to the rough opening. Apply the interior mull covers. These are barbed on and can be seated with the rubber mallet. Make sure the covers are flush to the interior accessory kerf. Install the interior covers. Start with the jamb covers first, then install the head jamb and sill covers last. Slide the stop into the kerf on the frame and then push the cover until it snaps into place. Repeat this procedure for every unit of the assembly.